RS3 DAZA, first start after rebuilding the engine. Here on the diagnostic we have the oil pressure, just in case. We're gonna see if it starts leaking from everywhere. Crank, Mr. John. Off, off. Crank again. Off, off, off. Ignition on. Start. Oil pressure actual value, because it cranked, that's why. Alright, oil pressure is fine. We have 4 bar, 3.9 bar, 3.9 bar of oil pressure. Turn it off, ignition on. Ignition on. Yeah, it's disconnect again. Alright, gentlemen, checking the oil level, checking the coolant level, fix the exhaust. It's loud because it's missing the exhaust. Alright? Okay? Smoke is gonna come out because of the exhaust. It burns, you know, it's the first time. It is normal. There is no problem. Check the fluids, check the coolant, take care about the exhaust, close everything. Alright? One health report at the end. We're gonna leave it running to be okay, to come out the operation temperature. Stuff like that, like always. Alright? You want to add something? Yeah. All good? All good. All well. For now it's okay. Since we didn't see leaking everywhere, you know, and we have 4 bar of oil pressure, we're good. Right?
The EGT.
The EGT? Later, not now. I'm gonna connect this one to see that all the channels are live. Alright? I already did that before when I was inside, to see that it does have any problem, any sensor, just in case. Now we're gonna see when they finalize the guys and they fix the oil level and the coolant and the exhaust. We have to charge also the air condition, you know. We're gonna see all the channels one at a time to see that they're reading. That's it. Small update. Thank you.